Baby tiger daw.
Baby tiger, roar. Mag-roar ka na.
Hindi, yung pa-baby na roar.
Sige. Sige. Isa pa.
Let's go, Nikki!
Sorry. Ay!
Man.
Yung tertiary
Ano yung post na yan? Image protection. What? Guys, we can't wait to see you tomorrow sa fan signing.
Guys,
So,
punta kayo pag di kayo pupunta talaga.
no, don't be aggressive with our anchors.
Aggressive talaga nito.
Yeah, we need to be very lovey-dovey. Lovey-dovey.
Labi-dabi.
We can't wait to see you guys because tomorrow is our...
Bench fan signing event.
Yeah. Saan mangyayari ang bench fan signing
Sa
event?
Makati po.
Where exactly?
Where?
In.
Yeah.
Ha? Bukas?
Yeah.
Oo, saan?
Bench.
Sa bench.
Sa bench.
Saan nga yun?
Sa bench.
In Manila.
Yeah.
Ito yung clue number 1 is...
Juan Ayala.
Wow! Saan ulit?
Juan Ayala.
Grabe galing na.
Sige. Ay, baka... okay. So, maghanap tayo muna ng questions para... May question ba kayo for tomorrow, guys? Ang
Kakanta po
course.
yung perform nyo. May magtatanong ng ganyan.
Galing mo naman.
Ito yung Horizon After Performance Show.
Ikaw man.
Ganito lang kami, guys. Simpleng mga bata. Simpleng buhay. Guys, mukha na kayo. Mukha kayong
Talon ka dito.
sasali sa PB.
Ano?
Mukha kayong
Bilis,
sasali.
talong ka, bilis.
Ha?
Talong ka.
Bigyan mo kaya.
Tanong? Tanong?
Bigyan mo kaya.
Talong ka dito.
Patong.
Patong ka.
Paano ba to?
Yan. Para kang kita.
Yan. Sige.
We will complete. We will complete.
Okay, happy
Ito na yung group photo natin. Guys, smile.
Wala si Kuya Winston.
Ay, sorry.
Ito. Ayan.
Yes.
3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3. 3, 2, 1.
Isa, dua,
So, ayun, sige guys. Kasi kami ay uuwi na din. Kasi nakakapagod talaga mag-pack at mag-assemble. So, bukas kikitain namin kayo sa...
Doon naman kami mga part-time job.
Yeah, so, please spread the news. Tomorrow we are going to be at bench 1. We are going to be... Okay, scrap. Delete. Ito yung ipaikot nyo, ha. 1, 2, 3.
Hello po!
We are Horizon! And tomorrow we will be having, again, another fan signing event with our anchors with bench at 1
Ayala!
We can't wait to see our lucky anchors kasi matagal na since our last fan signing event, but we will be giving you some exciting performances. Are those exciting, guys? Do you think?
Yes!
Yes!
Very exciting, very different,
Very exciting.
and we're going to be, yeah, that's it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Do you have any other messages before we go back to our usual lives?
Always be safe, guys.
Yeah, always be safe.
Don't copy us.
Yes.
See you.
Please start your message, Jiro, and then to the rest. Go.
Hi guys, to those who went to our schedule today, thank you so much kasi nag-effort tayo para pumunta dito and I hope na makauwi kayo ng maayos and sa mga nanonood naman dyan, yung mga pupunta bukas, see you there and yeah, thank you so much.
Yes, guys, you rock the world.
Rock and roll!
Yes,
Rock and roll!
And, yes. And sa mga anchors namin na mga taga-Cebu, ingat kayo lagi.
Oh yes, mga Cebuano and mga Cebu Anchors.
Cebu Anchors.
Sip!
Yo!
Ikaw na, Marcus.
Yes, I think, alright. So, I think we should eat a lot later for dinner because make sure you eat at the right time, guys. And yeah.
Yeah.
Always look out for Horizon.
Alright.
Yeah, because...
Alright.
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 Aris naman tayo, Aris.
We love you guys. See you tomorrow, mama.
Wow.
Mama.
Okay.
Okay.
See you guys tomorrow. We're so excited. We love you.
Kakim.
Oh, dapat kung message yan ha.
Oh.
Hindi, siyempre masaya kami na makapag-perform. Marami kasi kaming event na paparating. Ay, magkikita lang tayo palagi.
Yeah.
David.
See you in the Filipino Music Awards. Hopefully we're not going to be like this when we go there and we'll be more, clean and proper. But for now, this has been